Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be doing a lot of random planting potting. I finally got some potting soil and it's been weeks because I've been trying to wait for an affiliate to pay me before I go out and get it, and I only like to use the money that I make from, the gardening channel and affiliate links to buy the gardening stuff so I don't take away from, the family budget. Anyway, so I was waiting and waiting and it didn't come. It still isn't here yet, and I just couldn't wait any longer because I've got stuff getting root bound in pots, so in nursery pots. So I needed to get it planted, and I'll just pay myself back when it does come in. But anyways, I finally got enough soil to continue on, and I want to show you guys as I'm working through some of these pots like what is going on. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're all done. Look how gorgeous. Now, I don't know the variety of these Canna Lilies. They were given to me last spring, like early spring, from someone on Facebook, and they did not tell me the name of them. But I'll put the name of the Canna Lily I suspect them to be on the screen. These two gray planters are from Aldi on clearance last season. They're gorgeous. So in this container, I planted a Super Tunia Vista bubblegum because I had one left. If I find another, I'll plant it here in this one. But I did plant a petunia that I grew from seed over there. I doubt it will be as vigorous as the Super Tunia because the Super Tunias are hybrids and they are bred to just be extremely vigorous. Petunias themselves are vigorous, but these are like monster vigorous. So excited about these planters. These are my hot containers down here. They have Canna Lilies, Verbena, Colas here, the Sedona Sunset, and then we've got some petunias here. These are proven winners as well. I don't remember the exact variety. And then we have some, oh gosh, now I done forgot the name of this one. It's a geranium and it has a white flower. And then the pot on the other side mirrors this pot almost exactly, except there's a different colas there. But this colas still has the same colors that match with the Canna Lilies. Actually, wait. I'm seeing down there. Actually, I think these have they are the exact match because the other little colas was tucked in right there. So yes, they are twin planters. And then in the center planter, I have just some random things that I wanted to plant together to see if they would work. We'll see. I might end up just pulling them. And then outside of there, I have these two containers on either side with randomness in them. They do have the papyrus grass, little prince tut in the centers, and then some sweet potato vines, colas, so a couple of other little plants in there. Gorgeous. Now let me just show you this view right here. So pretty. This corner is just stunning right now. Look at my peonies. Beautiful. Look at that. It's so big. Like, just compared to my hand, like this thing is huge. It's a cluster, a bloom cluster. Gorgeous. I've got a variegated trumpet vine there. Those are very invasive. The variegated variety does not grow as quickly as the non-variegated, so it's a better option if these are very vigorous in your area. My Baptisia is on the way out, but it's still stunning. I planted a Super Tunia right there, and if I was smart, I would have saved that one and planted it in that other pot, but I didn't know when I was going to plant these other pots. Everything is looking so gorgeous. And I do have one more thing I want to show you before we end this video. Look at my clematis. This is the best year of this clematis so far. It is stunning. So full on one side. It's more shadier on this side here, so I understand why it's like really putting out for this side. Chamomile right here that I don't remember planting. It's gorgeous though. Stunning. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts on the containers in the comments section, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!